Now, quite often when solving a quadratic, it's not nicely factorized already for us. We need to start with the raw quadratic equation in general form. We then have to factorize it first and then find the values, the two values for the x's. So let's go ahead and do that. So here is such an equation. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to factorize. So I'm going to have an x and an x of some sort. I'm going to look for factors of, in this case, 15. So 15 is going to be 1 and 15, 3 and 5. I notice the signs are going to be the same. So whatever these are, they're going to be both plus or both minus. Let's check and see what they are. Oh, they're going to be both minus because there's a minus on that first bit. So they're both minus. And what makes 8? Well, 3 and 5 is going to be 8. So we're going to have a negative 3 here and a negative 5, negative 3, and negative 5 is an 8. Now, we need to solve this. So what we need to be able to say is what would the value of x need to be in order for these to be 0? Now, you could actually do this by observation, or you could do it using algebra. In this case, I'm going to just use observation because I can see I would need a 3 in here because 3 minus 3, or I would need a 5 in here. So 5 minus 5 would work perfectly well. So my factors are going to be, my solution is going to be x is going to be equal to 3 or x is equal to 5. Notice, although I haven't used algebra, I have shown working. I have shown what I've done in order to come up with my solution. So we've done it by observation. So you could write this, or you could write it again in set builder notation and write them in ascending order. We've got a 3, 5, and there is my solution.